Friends, Curiosity Soul 4054, Must Camera, Must Cam, Hazard Avoidance Camera, HazCam, and the Navigation Camera, NavCam. These images were taken by Must Cam, HazCam, and NavCam. These cameras are located high on the rover's mast and aids in driving. Curiosity Mars rover captured most of these images on 1st January 2024, the 4054th Martian day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars. All these image credits NASA, JPL, Caltech, MSSS. NASA's Curiosity rover is a car-sized robotic explorer on Mars, part of the Mars Science Laboratory mission. It landed on Mars in August 2012 and has been exploring Gale Crater and Mount Sharp, searching for the evidence of past habitability and the presence of organic molecules. The mountain is inside the Gale crater formed by ancient asteroid impact. As of July and August 2025, NASA's Mars rover Curiosity is located in the Gale crater on Mars, exploring and tracking the foothill of Mount Sharp on the red planet Mars. Curiosity Mars rover was built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed by Caltech in Pasadena, California. JPL leads the mission on behalf of NASA's Science Mission Directorate in Washington. Marine Space and Systems in San Diego built and operate MustCam. A key objective for Curiosity's mission on Mars is astrobiology, including the search for signs of ancient microbial life. The rover will characterize the planet's geology and past climate, pave the way for human exploration of the red planet. NASA's Perseverance rover and Curiosity rover are the part of NASA's Moon to Mars exploration approach, which includes Artemis mission to the Moon that will help prepare for human exploration of the red planet. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed for the agency by Caltech in Pasadena, California, built and manages operation of the Mars Perseverance rover and Mars Curiosity rover. Let me tell you again that all these image credits NASA, JPL, Caltech, MSSS. Curiosity Mars rover captured most of these images using its MustCam, HazCam, and NavCam. These cameras are located high on the rover's mast and also aids in driving. Curiosity Mars rover captured these images on 1st January 2024, the 4054th Martian day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars.